Hey, what's going on, everybody? Ryan Huggins here. So today we're going to get into level number 1 of Limitless 360. I did upgrade within the game, and with that upgrade it opens up the apprentice level, and at the apprentice level the game there is Limitless 360. So level number 1 in Limitless 360 is very simple. It is to go in there, watch the introductory video, so that way you can kind of understand what the game is all about. And then after that, you're going to set up your profile. So you'll go into settings, you're going to add a picture, fill out all the information if you haven't signed up for your black card, and get that sent to you. That is all in level number 1 of Limitless 360. So I'm super stoked about getting started with the next game within Salesvision, and this is Limitless 360, level number 1. Make sure you go in there and make sure you watch the video to start and set up your account. So if you want to get started with Salesvision, all you have to do is sign up with my team, www.winwithryan.com, www.winwithryan.com, and then we can work together, and I will be glad to help you live a limitless life. Have a wonderful day. Bye. I'm so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities from multiple different sources and on a continuous basis. I am so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities on a continuous basis from multiple different sources. Have a great day.